Welcome to the Daily Message. Today I want to introduce, or perhaps reintroduce you to Lily. Lily is one of my two cats. Lily is about a 9-pound female who's about 3.5 or 4 years old. My other cat is a 1.5 old male named Maddo. I like to spend time every day with Lily and Maddo. So I routinely sit on the floor and I read the newspaper and perhaps start the crossword puzzle. I look through my mail. Sometimes I answer the mail. I just like spending time with them. And as you can see, there's times when they enjoy being with me. So why do I bring up Lily today? Well, during this time of pandemic, it has become important for me to focus on those small things, those little things that bring me peace and joy. And Lily and Maddo are two of those things in my life that bring me peace every day. So I invite you to think about that small thing that brings you peace during this time. Maybe it's that comfy chair that you like to sit in to read or to pray or to meditate. Maybe it's that view out the window when the sun is coming up or when the sun is setting in the evening. Maybe it's that favorite book that you like to read, that favorite TV show that you like to watch. Whatever that may be, I suggest that you think about that special thing, that special person who is helping you, especially during this time, and to give thanks to our gracious God for whomever or whatever that might be.